Find x. 9 to the power 34 minus 9 to the power 33 divided 8 equals to 3 to the power x. So we can write like this: 9 to the power 33 into 9 to the power 1 minus 9 to the power 33 divided 8 equals to 3 to the power x. So if we take common 9 to the power 33, so here is 9 minus 1, 9 minus 1 divided 8 equals to 3 to the power x. So this is 9 to the power 33 into 8 divided 8 equals to 3 to the power x. So 8 cross 9, we can write 3 squared to the power 33 equals to 3 to the power x. So 3 to the power what? 33 into 2 means 66 equals to 3 to the power x. So 66 equals to x. This one we can write, this 18 to the power x, we can write 2 into 9 to the power x divided this one 9 to the power x minus this one 9 to the power x divided 9 to the power x equals to 1. So here 2 to the power x into 9 to the power x divided 9 to the power x minus 9 to the power x and 9 to the power x, if we divide we get 1. So now 1 and here is 1. Again 9 to the power x, 9 to the cross, so here is 2 to the power x equals to minus 1 become plus 1, so 1 plus 1. And here is 2 to the power x equals to 2. So 2 to the power x means 2 to the power 1. So x equals to 1. Thank you. Here is whole root of 50 square minus 1 divided 51. So this 50 square, if we consider a, so we can think this is a square minus b square. So we can write 50 plus 1 into 50 minus 1 divided 51 whole root, and this is 51 into 49 divided 51 whole root. So 51 50 and cross, this 41 root means 7. Thank you.